What's up mga kapepe? Ang isa sa pinakamatandang tulay naman sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas ang pinuntahan ng biyahe ni Pepe. Ito ay matatagpuan sa siyudad ng Tayabas. Mula Metro Manila ay 4 hanggang 5 oras ang aming biniyahe. Ang makasaysayang tulay na to ay kilala sa tawag ng Malagunlong Bridge o Puente de Malagunlong sa Espanyol. It is a 5-span, 445 feet long stone arch bridge built during the Spanish colonial period in Tayabas, Quezon. The bridge is known as one of the oldest bridges as well as the longest bridge made during the Spanish era. At noon ngang August 12, 2011, idineklara ito bilang National Cultural Treasure under the Historic Bridge ng Tayabas. Ang tulay na to ay gawa sa adobe stone, limestone at molasses. It became a bridge for tourists rather than for vehicular traffic after a new bridge was built parallel to it. It is currently owned and managed by the local government unit of the municipality of Tayabas. Itinayo ang tulay na to between the years 1840 and 1850 under the direction of the Fray Antonio Matios. Siya ay isang Franciscan priest who served as the Ministro del Pueblo of Tayabas. In an account of a Spanish traveler Juan Alvarez Guerra, the bridge was built in 1841 under Gobernador Silio Don Joaquin Ortega's term. The bridge was made by the people of Tayabas through forced labor. It is estimated that 100,000 adobe blocks was used to build the bridge. An inscription on the bridge indicates that it was inaugurated in 1850 under the term of Gobernador Silio Don Juan S. Francisco. Ang tulay na to ay isa sa katunayan na ang bayan ng Tayabas ay mayaman sa kasaysayan. Ang tulay din na to ay hindi nadadaanan at naging isang tourist attraction na lang dito sa kanilang bayan. Ang tulay na to ay ilang beses nang na-feature sa mga teleserye at sa mga pelikula. Ang tulay din na to ay sumisimbolo sa Spanish colonization sa ating bansa. Bukod pa dito mga kapepe, the city of Tayabas has several Spanish-era colonial bridges including the well-preserved Puente de Malagunlong. Bukod sa Malagunlong mga kapepe, ay may several Spanish-era colonial bridges ang Tayabas. Ito ang patunay na ang bayan ng Tayabas ay mayaman sa kasaysayan. Don't forget to like, share, and follow Biyahe ni Pepe.